Hey there. So, how's your inbound marketing journey going on? It's starting to get chilly in here, so let's make the weather toasty by some of our best tutorials. In order to learn HubSpot, we at CT9 today are going to tell you on how you can customize the left sidebar in the contacts properties region in HubSpot. The sidebar on the left side of a record displays properties and the record's values for those properties. Each individual user can also customize their own About This object section in order to display additional properties beyond the ones included by default. To do this, go to your HubSpot account, click on the settings icon in the main navigation bar. In the left sidebar menu, navigate to Objects. Then select the object that you want to edit the record sidebar for, which could be contacts, companies, anything else. Click on the Record Customization tab. Click on the Customize the left sidebar option. In the right panel, click Edit Default View. Depending upon your subscription, you can edit the properties in a section, or you can also create and edit different sections. To edit the properties in an existing section, in the editor's right panel, click the section you want to edit. To change the order of the properties, click and drag the handle of a property to a new position. To remove a property from a section, click cross to the right of the property. If you are editing the About section, this will not remove the property for users that included it when customizing their own section. To add a property, in the left panel, search for a property and select the checkbox. Once you have made all of your changes, in the upper right, click on Save. There are also options to add, edit, and remove custom sections in your record sidebar, but those are available for professional and enterprise users only, so those are beyond the scope of this video. I hope you learned something new today, and in case you need our help while developing your inbound marketing plans or working on your latest CRM project, then do reach out to us through the QR code on the screen in front of you. And guys, I'll see you soon in an upcoming inbound marketing lesson.